Hello and welcome to SeedProd. In this video, I'll show you how to create beautiful 404 pages with WordPress in minutes. If you're not familiar with SeedProd, it's the #1 landing page builder for WordPress. And you can visit seedprod.com or click the link in the description below. Once you're here, you can read about the features and take a look around. And once you're happy with everything, you can click on Get SeedProd to select the account that makes the most sense for you. This video assumes that you already have SeedProd installed. If you don't, you can scroll all the way to the bottom of the page here under Helpful Links and click on Documentation. Under Documentation, we have the Getting Started articles. We can click here, and the first one is called Installing and Activating the Pro plugin. Let's go ahead and click on this. And here you can find the instructions on how to install and activate the Pro plugin of SeedProd, along with a video tutorial if you want to watch that. Once you're ready to go and we have SeedProd installed, you can come over to your WordPress dashboard and you'll find SeedProd on the menu on the left-hand side. Let's go ahead under SeedProd and click on Pages. And here in SeedProd, you'll see different modes such as Coming Soon, Maintenance Mode, Login Page, 404, and you can create your own standalone landing pages down below. Let's go ahead and set up a new 404 page here. And SeedProd's going to ask you to choose a new page template. This is filtered by all 404 page templates. We have more than that included. There's 150 plus currently that are professionally designed and mobile friendly. I'm going to select and filter by 404 page. And now you can just pick one that you like the look of, and this will give you a great head start for your 404 page. So here's one here. I'm going to select, this is called Lost 404 page. I'll click the check mark to enter this in, and this will load the SeedProd page builder. On the right hand side, we can see all of the sections and the rows and columns, and we can see these blocks that are in orange that we can edit. And blocks are these simple elements that we can drag into our page. So for example, if we want to add a video, we can just drop that right here, and this will add that video directly into our page. If we don't want a specific block, we can click the trash can here, and this will delete that. So here you can go through and change all of the colors. You can click on the text here and change the text in the text box. There's various options that vary depending on what type of block it is, and there's lots of options to choose from. So for this example, I'll show you how to change the background. So on the bottom left here, we have global settings here, and it looks like this image is a background image. So here we have fonts, colors, and background. Let's go ahead and click on background, and we can find that image right here. I'm going to click the delete just to get rid of that. Now you can't see anything because the text is white and we have a white background. We could just change that. We can see that for now. We'll set this to black, but I'm going to add another image here. Now you could choose your own image. I'm going to use a stock image here by clicking here, and SeedProd gives you access to this library of stock images. So here you can search for something specific. So here I just typed in farm, and I'm going to select this image here, which looks great. Now this is a little bit too bright. It's hard to see the white text. So here we have dim background. So if I increase this, it'll make that picture a little bit darker, so it's a little bit faint. And here we could pinpoint maybe some of the specific text. So this text here, I'll click on block settings and come under advanced and the color, and maybe I'll change this to an orange or maybe even a bright yellow. I think I like the orange. Down here, this is actually a button at the bottom. Let's go to the block settings, and you can change the information here as well. Under templates, you can change the look of this. So for example, if I click here, this will be a green button now. We could have a yellow button or the orange button, whatever makes sense. I think I'll turn this into this white button. I think that's nice and clean looking. Great. Once you're happy with everything, you can come under page settings and you can go through these different options. We also have SEO and we have scripts. Now, because this is for 404, you don't really have to set too much for this. So when you're happy with everything, let's go ahead and save this and click on publish. You can see the live preview here by clicking see live page. And there we go. We can see our custom 404 page that we just created. So let's go ahead and test this out. I'll come back and close this with the X, and I'll just open a page to our website here. Up top here, I'll just type in a random URL that's incorrect. And you'll see that this goes to our default 404 page, so it's not working exactly how we expect. And that's because there's one more important step. So if you come under SeedProd and Pages, we have 404 and all of these different modes here. You need to toggle and activate them. So underneath here, it says inactive. Let's go ahead and toggle this on, and then we can test this again. So if we refresh our page, you can see that we can now see our custom 404 page. I hope you can see the power of SeedProd and how easy SeedProd makes it to create beautiful 404 pages for WordPress in minutes.